Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. This is just going to be a quick video, especially for those not from New York that don't get to see snow. You might love to see it. Well, in this case, you're probably better off. It's coming down hard. It's been coming down a long time. After the snow finishes, they're estimating freezing temperatures, which will make the roads much more icy, much more harder to travel. They even close New York City schools. They never do that, or rarely do that. So this is just a quick glimpse. There's a few inches out there, and you can see it's still coming down very hard. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, share my other videos. That's www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.